Good morning. I will be doing a video of my Jamaican black cake or Jamaican rum cake or Jamaican fruit cake, by whatever name that's familiar to my viewers. And I will start with creaming my, I measured my ingredients and I'm doing a 1 pound mixture. So I'm making a 1 pound mixture. So I have a pound of flour, I have 1 pound of sugar, I have 1 pound of butter. That's correct because I'm doing a 1 pound mixture. Everything is 1 pound in terms of weight. So the flour is a pound, the sugar is 1 pound, and the butter is 1 pound. So don't get excited now. I noticed people were commenting on the first video about how much butter I was using, but this is a 1 pound mixture recipe. I have my fruits blended. I combined like port wine with currants and prunes, and I blended them well in the blender. And I have a variety of spices. So I have nutmeg, vanilla, allspice, I have browning, almond. So all those are going to be added to the product, and I'm using port wine as I mentioned before. I'm going to be using maybe 8 eggs altogether, or maybe more. I think I will do 10 eggs. I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm doing 10 eggs. So if you want to see how I make my Jamaican rum cake, continue to watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay guys, so I've creamed my butter and my sugar together. So that's one step. Now I'm going to add my eggs. So I'm going to add 10 eggs to this mixture. Progressing nicely. So I've added my 10 eggs, and there is the mixture of butter, eggs, and sugar. Okay, now I'm working with my dry ingredients. So I have my 4 cups of flour here. I have baking powder, nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon. So I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon of these. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of all the spices to my flour. Okay, so I've decided to do half teaspoon of all the spices, and I am doing 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So that's what's going on here right now in this bowl of dry ingredients. So you can sieve them together so that they're evenly distributed, and kind of get some air into the flour. Make your another thing that I could do is add some breadcrumbs. So I'm going to add breadcrumbs to it. That makes the cake a bit heavier, denser. So it depends on how you want your cake. If you want it light, then you won't put breadcrumbs. If you want it heavier, then you can put breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna add breadcrumbs to this mixture after I'm finished aerating it. Okay, I hope you're hearing me, guys, because I tend to speak a bit softer when I'm doing these things. So I hope the mic is working. I hope you're hearing me clearly. I don't want to be shouting. Okay, so I think I will just, let me see, maybe half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, so we'll do half cup of breadcrumbs. That's it. All right, and then we'll mix that, blend that in. All right. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start mixing our ingredients. So I have my fruits blended in my port wine. I'm just gonna use a huge container so I can combine everything easily. So that's the step I'm doing right now, just transferring the fruits into this huge container so that I can combine everything in one. I'm gonna add my wet ingredients. So I have my vanilla, I have my browning, I have almond extract. Almond extract is there. Okay. And how much browning do I need? I need browning. Where are you? 1 teaspoon of browning. So I shouldn't need a lot. Ah, damn it. Okay, so now we're gonna combine so I have my fruits mixed with my port wine in the bowl. I'm going to add my egg, sugar, butter mixture to that. So it's nice and fluffy. Yes, it's exactly what I want. Maybe I should do this in smaller portions. Let me get my big spoon. Okay. We got a real huge spoon this time. Okay. Put that over there. So this is coming together really nicely right now. I'm just gonna add my flour and we are almost done, guys. So I preheated the oven and I'm gonna add my flour to my batter now, and it's coming nicely. Nice. Coming together. Alright, so you wanna gently fold the flour into the mixture. You don't want to over mix it, you just want to incorporate it. Don't over mix, just fold it until it gradually gets incorporated. I ideally should have a round container, but I do not have that, so I am going to use what I have. So you got a nice round container, that's better. Okay. Okay. Alright, let me add some more until I finally do all. Bake them for 1 hour at 350 degrees and it's done. So I have the recipe, and if you guys can do your own baking, enjoy, have a good day. Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay, this is the final product of my Jamaican rum cake, and if you want to see how I made this, you can watch the video. I hope you enjoyed. I've attached the recipe below, and if you want it darker, you can add extra browning, but this is the result of my Christmas Day baking. So, bon appetit, guys. Merry Christmas.